Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M2 versus the M340i. We will explore their core differences, focusing on performance, daily usability, and overall driving experience. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of which model best suits your needs, whether you prioritize track-ready thrills or a powerful, refined daily driver. Let's dive into the specifics of these two impressive BMWs. The BMW M2 is engineered for pure driving excitement. It often comes with a more potent engine, frequently delivering over 400 horsepower, paired with a sport-tuned chassis. Its compact dimensions and stiffer suspension provide exceptional agility and a direct connection to the road. For those who love to push limits and crave an uncompromised, engaging driving experience, the M2 stands out as a true enthusiast's machine. In contrast, the BMW M340i masterfully blends performance with everyday luxury. While still incredibly powerful, it offers a more compliant ride, making it ideal for daily commutes and longer journeys. You'll find a more spacious and refined interior, packed with advanced technology and comfort features. With available all-wheel drive, the M340i provides versatility and confidence in various conditions, making it a superb all-rounder. So which BMW is right for you? If your passion lies in raw performance, track days, and an exhilarating, focused driving machine, the M2 is your clear winner. However, if you seek a powerful, luxurious, and practical vehicle that excels in daily driving while still offering impressive performance, the M340i is an outstanding choice. Both represent BMW's engineering prowess, but cater to distinct driving philosophies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.